Hi, my name is Emily Ball, and for the video assignment, I'm going to start off with defining what a democracy is. So a democracy, by the textbook definition, it is a system of government by the whole population or all the eligible members of a state, typically through elected representatives. And so that therefore means that where citizens can express their power by voting. And I will be answering the question, which is, does Texas operate as a democracy or not? And I personally believe that Texas does not operate as a democracy. And according to the UT News from the University of Texas at Austin by Laura Luveras, she wrote how Texas is not democratic because in the time period of 2000 and 2010, Texas population increased by 4.3 million, and the Black and Latino communities were a big part of that growth period. And since the population had increased so much, Texas was able to gain 4 additional congressional seats that went to the white Republicans and not towards the communities like the Blacks and Latinos, which were not in a plan for voting. So like their voices weren't necessarily heard as much as those of the Republican voices because those seats went to a white Republican. So they felt like that their voting rights were not listened to. And since that there is no federal right to vote, it leaves the state to determine the voting rights. And Lauren then proceeded to say that Texas attacks on communities of color. The right to vote is central to a democracy, and as long as the state employs tactics to discourage the right to vote, that Texas cannot be a legitimate democracy. Therefore, Texas does not operate as a democracy because it does not have everyone's voting rights listened to. And that's all I have to say. In Texas, I believe that it is not a democracy. And thanks for listening. Bye.